and welcome back to my gardening channel. In today's video we are going to talk about how to prune and maintain bamboo to ensure that it's healthy and thriving. Before we dive into bamboo pruning techniques, it's important to understand how bamboo grows. It grows and spreads through underground rhizomes, where the new shoots like this appear from those rhizomes quite quickly. So you can see that this is the main bamboo plantation, and then you see a rhizome went here and you have two shoots, and then it was growing further and you have this new shoot as well, and it's going to spread further. These rhizomes and new shoots can grow quite rapidly, so it's important to monitor their growth and don't wait until they become so large. Cut them when you see that the small shoots appear from the soil, if you don't want them to be there. Pruning plays an important role in maintaining the shape and size of your bamboo plants. As bamboo grows, some clumps may become overcrowded and will need to be thinned. For example, here you see that you have quite a lot of bamboo plants growing all together, and because of this, they not only grow well, like you have this very thin shoots, and here, like this one, you can see that it grows all around other bamboos. Here it's not a regular shape, it's a little bit curved, all because it's all too crowded, and worst of all, because there is not enough air circulation, you can see that there is some disease already attacking this bamboo. So in this situation, what you would need to do is to remove the excess bamboo plants to ensure that there is enough space for each of the bamboo to grow. In this particular situation, if you put the camera up, you'll see that they are all overcrowded and each of them doesn't have enough space to grow and to enjoy sun. So what I would do in this particular clump, first of all, I would cut out all these diseased bamboos where you see that they are not uniformly one green color. Second of all, if there is still quite enough, I would select those that I like the most, that go straight. For example, this one I would cut, but this one seems to be, and this two, possibly even this one, they seems to be quite strong, so I would remove them. These two are dark, so they are, if you can see them well, they are dark green, they are very new, so I would definitely keep those two out of the ones I prune, but I would say about 80% of bamboo which is here will have to go. Another important technique is pruning dead and damaged bamboo shoots or bamboo stalks. So you see here, for example, this one, probably because of the wind, it's damaged. So what I would do, I would cut it below, just above the surface. This one here is also damaged, so it doesn't need to be there, it has to be cut. And you see there is some dead bamboo, like this one is dead, here dead and also damaged on the top. If you see further, there is another one that, so all of them needs to go in order to be able to show the beauty of your bamboo. But also what's most important is when bamboo is weakened, it's more susceptible to pests and diseases, which can then spread further from them. So to maintain your healthy and beautiful bamboo, you should always cut those any time of the year, not waiting until spring or autumn. But if you see something is damaged, you cut it immediately. Another important technique is removing weak or spindly shoots. So for example, here you see you have quite a lot of shoots coming. They will never develop into a proper bamboo. However, they suck energy from the mother plant that would be able otherwise to go to feed this plant. So what I would need to do is to cut this one. I would also cut this one as well. You see it's a little bit damaged here and there. And so just cutting those small ones, you already have more space for the bamboo to grow and develop. Bamboo has a reputation for its vigorous growth and potential to spread all over the place. In this situation, you see I have a bamboo there, and I have a plant here where I do not want to have this bamboo growing. So what I have to do now is regularly prune it. And for your information, it was pruned about a week ago, and already you have all this bamboo and you have to prune it again. So in order to prevent this, in this situation, prevention is much better than actually treatment. So in order to prevent this, there are a few options that you can do. You can, once you select where you plant your bamboo and where you want to go, you can put some barriers inside the soil to prevent rhizomes from growing through them. Can be some plastic or metal, something that rhizomes cannot go through, and then you wouldn't have this situation. If you don't have a situation like that, but maybe somewhere one lonely rhizome with shoots, what you can do is to dig out soil where it grows and prune the rhizome, so that you don't just prune the shoot and then rhizome keep grows and keep producing shoots, but you cut the rhizome in the soil, and then would be even better if you put somewhere a barrier as well. Timing is essential in pruning bamboo. Best seasons are spring, early spring or late autumn, when bamboo is sleeping. However, you can also do some maintenance, urgent maintenance throughout the year. And here you go. Now you know how to ensure that your bamboo is healthy, vibrant, and well maintained through standard maintenance and pruning procedures. And now, as you see, I have a lot of bamboo pruning and maintenance to do. So I'll see you in my next video while I'm done with this one.